All right, Duane the wrench here. So, fiberglass reinforced plastic. This is the underside of this carbon fiber trunk, duckbill spoiler. I have removed the inner, I guess whatever the hell it's called, doesn't even matter. The inner shield or whatever on this. So we can see I'm doing this video for reference because I don't know if I just start taking stuff apart, if I'll be able to get it back. So we've got all these 3 screws right here. We've got wiring, some wiring and some cables. And I don't know what this thing's going to. There's a cable up in there. All right. And there's, oh, the license plate lights. Gotcha. All right. Well, this one's coming off. It's beautiful in itself. And that one's going on. See the weave? Beautiful, right? Let me see if let me flip this over for everybody. Let me flip this over for everybody. And with my car being black, it's not that noticeable, but it's kind of an interesting lip. You know, it doesn't quite duckbill out up as much as it. Who cares? Let's just try it. We'll see what happens. All right, so this will be video 1, and then I'll show it installed on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.